Welcome to the on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the track and prove, encrypt, e-sign, file share, and other features. This video will review the RMail E-Sign settings in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box. Press the Settings button. The e-sign options are grouped into two sections: the User Interface Default Settings and the RMail Service Default Settings. Let's start with the User Interface Default Settings. Before we go over the User Interface Default Settings, it's important to look at the user interface itself. When you press Cancel, you'll see the e-sign options include e-paper, tags, one-click, templates, sequential. Those are your options. So now let's go back into the settings. Click on e-sign. What do these mean? The first is enable the e-sign option. When this is checked, select e-sign from the feature dialog box is available. The next is pre-select the e-sign option by default. If you are an RMail E-Sign power user, you may want to check that box. Therefore, when you press the Send Registered button, the option to e-sign is already selected. The third option is to save completed e-sign emails in a separate RMail Contracts folder. When selected, all of your signed documents will automatically route into an RMail Contracts folder, which is a subfolder of your inbox. They can be stored there for as long as your retention policies dictate. The next option is to display the templates link on the feature pop-up. The templates link is a shortcut to the RSign service. When the templates link is active and selected, a new tab on your web browser will open up, automatically log you into RSign so you can create templates and use advanced e-sign options. The next three options enable e-paper, enable tags, enable one-click. Those options, when checked, will be available on the feature dialog box. The radio buttons below will allow you to select what your default e-sign feature will be. Now let's review the RMail Service Default Settings. There are two settings that you can select. The first option, when checked, will send emails sequentially to the recipients in the order they are located in the To field. That is called sequential signing. Once the first person signs it, the document then goes to the next person. Once the second person signs it, the document goes to the third person. This, of course, is only relevant if there are more than one signer. And the last option, when checked, will send all of the e-sign emails in accordance to the encryption feature as well, so it will be encrypted e-sign emails. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If a setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. And be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.